Foggy, gray, gloomy weather. Those are the good description words for today as we have a lot of rain. We have seen a lot of rain and we still have yet more rain to get through. So for today, we actually have kind of a break from the heaviest of the rain. There's still a couple of those puddles, of course, sticking around from 1, 2, and 3 inches of rain falling across the state. But more rain is expected as we roll into this afternoon and this evening. For tomorrow, flash flood watch continues until 8 a.m. Then we have the chance to see maybe a couple of stronger or even severe thunderstorms. Heading into Sunday, the rain backs off just a little bit. There's still the potential, though, for us to see a few more showers and maybe a couple of rumbles of thunder on Sunday as well. So let's walk through future track right now. This is all a part of a low pressure system and a boundary that's actually going to be draping across southern Kentucky today. So it looks like maybe central and southern as well as western Kentucky we'll get in on a little bit more of this action. A couple of those showers could pop up and produce some more heavy rain. We've been used to that. We'll take a look at totals in just a second. But as the low pressure system slides on through, we have another round of potentially very heavy rain coming up much later on this evening into overnight. And then we kind of see the activity backing off a little bit for Saturday morning. That may give us just enough time to see the clouds breaking apart, which is not necessarily a good thing because there's a lot of energy associated with this low. And as it moves through, it could spark more not only heavy downpours, but also some stronger thunderstorms. We'll be under a marginal risk for severe weather coming up tomorrow. And then as we work our way into Sunday, looks like the rain continues to kind of be a little bit more few and far between and pushes a little bit further north as well as east as that cold front finally begins to leave the area. The good news is in all of this, we have more clouds and so therefore temperatures are a little bit cooler. We're not having to deal with the low 90s, but boy, we've had a lot of rain falling. Cynthiana picking up 2.8 inches in just the past 24 hours. Owenton 3.5, nearly 3.5 inches. In Lexington, Fayette County, we've picked up 1.3, and there's been a couple of other spots that have seen some of those locally very heavy downpours of rain just east of Winchester there in Montgomery, southern Montgomery, as well as eastern Clark County. 3.5 inches, a little bit further over to the east in Morgan County, 2.5 inches, almost 2.5 inches around the Moorhead area as well. And we're not finished with it just yet. We actually have maybe as much as another ½ inch to an inch that could be dropping over the next 24 hours. So we'll really have to keep our eye on that. We also have to keep our eye on the tropics as we have Isaias, which will begin to make its way closer toward the Bahamas coming up over the next 24 to 36 hours, pushing into the weekend. It looks like it begins to kind of close in on Florida. It's now a Category 1 hurricane. So we'll really be watching this. Of course, that cone of uncertainty has it right now skirting the East Coast and not affecting our area in the next few days. Still warm today. High temperatures in the lower 80s will dip into the upper 60s tonight. Tomorrow, a high temperature of 80 degrees. Then through the extended forecast, the rain chances do taper off, but that's a 70% chance tomorrow. The good news is we keep the clouds around. Temperatures will stay lower even through next week as we roll into our first week of August with highs in the lower 80s.